video. It's kind of like that video with the Puzzle Eraser pig, except it's a red bird. Aren't you excited about this video? Okay. And it's the same person. Cole isn't here this time because he just kind of wandered off to watch this thing, I think, yeah. Now, does this look like a bird yet? No, definitely not. And then, because his back isn't there yet. Now, it's a little bit different because you don't just put this on because this has to go in the rain. You can't put it in this position. So, first take this piece. Then you put it in like this. So put it in like that. And then you put the back on. Then you put the back on. And then you put the eyes on. Let me just put the eyes on. Is it okay if you... Yes.
Here we go! From the magic within our hearts to the adventure beyond the horizon.
See how I put the eyes on? I'm just going to put them, push it on. See how I put the eyes on? Then I put the eyebrows on. Like this. So I put the eyebrows on. Now it looks more like a bird, doesn't it? Yeah, a little bit more. And then I put the beak on. Put the beak on. A little bit more complicated than the pig one. Put the beak on. Then I put this little funny piece on. See how I put the beak on? I forgot to show you. Put the beak on like this.
Three little pigs.
You can put that. Do you know where that piece goes? I think you would. So we're going to put that piece on. Now, does this look like bird? Yes. But if you look on the back, there's a piece missing. It's this. It's this piece. And then see how I put this tail piece on? And then, does this look like a bird? And does this look like a bird? Yeah, it is! It is a bird. Yeah, it is a bird. Just like this. Now, if you don't have this piece, like I said in the video, it's still okay to watch this video of how we put it together, right? I mean, because I've watched a few videos with Angry Birds Space Puzzle Erasers like this. I don't have any Angry Birds Space Puzzle Erasers, but I still watch that video. So it's okay if you watch this video and you don't have this, right? I mean, lots of people don't have these that I know. Like Andrew doesn't have these. He's the person I know. And then that's about the only person I want to say. So, but this video is called Building a Red Bird Puzzle Eraser, okay? And I don't want to waste my time up there because that clock is just ticking. Now,